I think that it's been a really good conference so far actually. Some of the other speakers have been quite insightful as well. This area is fantastic, the food's really good, we've got nice open space and there's a lot of collaboration and conversations with the suppliers crucially as well.
What I really like is the size of the event. It's really easy to approach people and to talk to people. I really like the vibe here, and I encourage everybody to go to this Cosmonauts organized event.
I've really enjoyed engaging with a number of new people that I've not seen before, which is a great thing to see because I've worked in the space sector for a number of years now. And when you come to an event like this, which is really pushing the idea of innovation and really pushing the idea of getting the right people in the right place all together, come to a Space Talks event, come to a Cosmonauts event, it will be for you.
It was great because, unlike some conferences, this one really is a great ecosystem across all different facets of legal innovation and change making. Some great speakers, some great conversations, some great networking. So I'm really impressed with what Richard and the Cosmonauts team have put together. And I think anyone who's involved in change making or interested in change making in the legal innovation industry and the legal industry generally should probably think about coming next time.
Panels have been superb. But the thing that I've loved the most, frankly, has been the people in the plenary and in the shows generally. There's been so much energy. People are really friendly. They want to talk about what they're doing. They want to hear about what other people are doing. There's a lot of wisdom being shared, which I'm really enjoying. I'm learning a lot.
So I do think it's very interesting for other people in the branded retail and fashion industry to come and learn more about IP and trademarks, maybe at the summit next year.
I love meeting colleagues and understanding how they're using the products, engaging with real life use cases and hearing the progress that people are making.
Really the highlight has been really learning so much from the speakers. They're really experts in legal tech and have just given me a information dump into my brain about all of the challenges for in-house counsel and law firms.
We have about 150 guests here to meet and greet, and we've got a very large online audience. We've got an eclectic mix of speakers, but also Q&A from the audience. So it's a very full, packed day.
It's an excellent opportunity to network, to find out what else is going on in the industry, and it's been fantastic to be here post-COVID at one of the first events that I've attended.
I came across this event only recently and I'm very happy I decided to come. I'm here because I was looking for inspiration. I'm interested in space debris and I was looking for interesting conversations to have with people regarding this topic and also to learn what the space industry is going through at the moment.
If you're interested in driving legal forward, if you're a practice management owner, if you're a law firm lawyer, if you're a person building technology in the legal space, you should come here because some of the best ideas that are going to inform what you do and where things are going happen right here in a small room with people that you can talk to.
I'm really excited to be here, I think firstly to see the variety of new products that are around out there and to really explore that. But as much as that, to hear from the speakers as to the process for working out how you work out what the best solutions are for you and how other thinkers in this industry are looking at innovation.
There's plenty of stands from legal tech providers who can quite happily give you a demo, more information on what legal tech is out there and what solutions they can provide.
Some great insights. I think legal tech is here to stay. And events like this really start to build an ecosystem in the community surrounding it.
Legal Innovators gives me a chance to meet with my peers, interact with general counsel, law partners, CTOs, CIOs, anyone who's involved in the legal technology journey.